And here is a live look from the mobile weather lab west of St. Cloud along Interstate 94. The roadway is wet because heavy rain just passed over this area. Lisa Meadows is in for Chris Schaefer today, tracking a large line of storms that has already led to tornado warnings this afternoon. It's been an active summer.
Oh, yes, definitely. And, you know, the rest of this evening, you want to stay weather aware, not just off to the west, but also toward the Twin Cities and off to the east. And I'll show you why. First, let's look at where we have the warnings in place now. We did just recently have another severe thunderstorm warning pop up. We currently do not have any tornado warnings in place. The last tornado warnings did expire at 5 p.m. But we do have the severe thunderstorm warnings in place. That would be these orange polygons here. So McLeod, Renville, Sibley counties underneath the severe thunderstorm warning until 5:30 p.m. You can see with this storm cell, it's a little bit of a northeasterly component that's moving at 35 miles per hour. Pope and Stearns County just going underneath a severe thunderstorm warning till 5:45 p.m. and then further up to the north, you can see we also have one more severe thunderstorm in place. These are the three that are on the board for now. And the main threat that we are watching with these storms would be at least 1-inch diameter hail and also 60-mile-per-hour winds. So if you are in Brownton and just off to the south and to the southwest of Hutchinson, that is where you have your severe thunderstorm warning in place. I went ahead and timed out the entire line of storms here. The southern half of this is underneath the severe thunderstorm warning, but still looking at strong winds that could be coming out of these storms as they continue to make their way further off to their east. So these are the locations where we currently have the severe thunderstorm warnings in place, but I do not think we are done with this. This is where we have the tornado watch in place. Basically, as these thunderstorms start up, they're firing up to the west. That's where we have individual cells, and that it gives you a better shot of seeing tornadoes with those storms, hence the tornado warnings we were dealing with. Severe thunderstorm watch does go until 8 p.m. here in the yellow, so the western part of the metro here underneath the severe thunderstorm watch, or excuse me, tornado watch. Severe thunderstorm watch in pink further off to the southwest. That does go until 9 p.m. and it's possible as these storms do continue to move to the east, if they get organized in a straight line, we could see another tornado watch or severe thunderstorm watch develop or be posted, at least for the Twin Cities or further off to the east. Do at least want to mention where we have the flood watch in place from Brainerd up toward Bemidji because of the potential of some heavy rains with this and also some flooding. Here's where we have the 3 out of a 5 here in place. Twin Cities off to the west. This is the area where you have your best shot of seeing some of those thunderstorms. It's possible we could see up to 2-inch diameter hail or higher with these storms. Again, 60-mile-per-hour winds or stronger and some localized flash flooding and that isolated tornado risk. Here's why. Low pressure system in place. We have the warm, moist air here, and this front is lifting through. As this cold front continues to lift through, we anticipate these thunderstorms that we've already seen off to the west continue to progress to the east. So through dinner time, especially along 35 to the west, that's where you absolutely need to stay weather aware. And we continue to watch this line of storms start to swing through the Twin Cities between about 6 and 8 p.m., making their way into western Wisconsin once we head into about 10 p.m. and then moving on out of here as we head into the nighttime hours. Some localized heavy rain, of course, could lead to flooding. This model is kind of tapered down the rain amounts. I think we still could see about a 1/4 inch to a 1/2 inch of rainfall. Temperatures, they're warm, 84. Dew points are up. It is muggy, but as we continue to see this front move through, you know what happens. Washes out the humidity, takes those temperatures down, will take the rain away, and it is setting up for a gorgeous weekend. 80 degrees, not too humid for Saturday, also for Sunday. Feeling a little more like fall, actually, as we continue to start off the weekend. We have a dry stretch all the way until we get toward the end of the work week. So quite a bit of a change up for the weekend, but we have to get past tonight, guys.
Yeah, and you'll be around, obviously, and
Absolutely.
Mike's around as well.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
All right.
good.
Thank you, Lisa.